Mobile workstation. The USB 3.0 laptop docking station adds HDMI or VGA video output, a USB 3.0 hub port, and a Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port, through a single USB 3.0 host connection. Ideal for travel. This portable travel adapter features a lightweight, compact design that fits nicely into your travel bag and features an integrated host connection cable. Fast speeds. Leveraging the high bandwidth, 5 gigabits per second, USB 3.0 interface to deliver flexible video output, a USB 3.0 hub port, and Gigabit Ethernet, you can quickly set up a multifunctional workstation. Hassle-free setup. The USB 3.0 display adapter will automatically download the latest driver when connected to a Windows system with an active network connection. The travel docking station for laptops lets you transform your laptop or Ultrabook into a mobile workstation. It adds HDMI or VGA video output, a USB 3.0 hub port, and a Gigabit Ethernet RJ45 port, through a single USB 3.0 host connection. Top reviews from the United States. Great for dual monitors even on a tablet, Surface Pro. This is a great little tool. I didn't see many reviews on this item, so found the details at the StarTech website. I was using a Windows Surface Pro with 2 monitors, which were both looking great with this little device. One was plugged in with a mini DisplayPort adapter directly into the tablet and the second was VGA into this device.